Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we will be going over week 47 of the Robinhood Options Trading Challenge. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. One more thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. It is Monday after market close. Let's hop in the portfolio and take a look. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. As you can see on the day, we are down 4.91%. That is $70.46. Yeah, we're down on the day. Made a few moves today, trying to play things more conservatively. So trying to get more time on my options and try not to overstretch myself, try not to be over leveraged. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Today started out with me selling out of one of those 2 Apple puts I had, and thankfully I did, because today on the puts, we're down $78 today on this single put I had. So if I had both of them, be down much more. So this morning I was able to sell out of the other one for $2.32 per share, giving me $232 buying power. Then after that, for most of the day, I chilled and I picked up 3 more positions. So towards the end of the day, I bought this Pfizer put, and I'm pretty comfortable with it because I have until June 26 for it. I think Pfizer's going to come down. We're down $3 on it right now, but I'll give that one some time and we'll be up on that. Then towards the end of the day, Apple has been on an absolute tear today. Tomorrow, I believe, is their ex-dividend date. And Apple is up $4.88 on the day. At its highest point, it was up $6.76. And from where it started, Apple is up almost $8 or $9 from where it started the day. Okay, so right in this time frame right here, I decided I would get some puts, but I need some time for the puts to work. So I actually bought a put debit spread. On the debit spread for today, me buying at what I think are the highs. Right now I'm up $5 on it. As long as it stays below 215, I'm good. Just want to give myself some time for that to work and just collect a little off it. Right now I want to be in the market, but not do too much. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with that. And then the last thing I bought today was actually earlier in the day. I wanna kind of get a jump on playing Walmart next week. So I bought this call debit spread, but I actually bought it for this week instead of earnings next week. So I actually plan on getting out of this tomorrow. So from when I bought it today, it is down $12, and that's all the trades I made today. I will catch you tomorrow. All right, it's Tuesday after market close, and things were going great today, but towards the end of the day, the market started switching up. So let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and on the day we are down $103.95 and 7.63% on the day. And on the week, we're down 22%, and that is $361.88. And today I closed out of, I think, most of the positions I bought yesterday, and I picked up 4 new ones. So yeah, I'm gonna walk through with you and take a look, talk about kind of some of my thought process behind some of it. And yeah, you can see I'm getting back kind of up there on the positions again. I currently don't have any day trades. There were some of these I kind of wanted to stop out of earlier, but the reason I didn't stop out of any of them is because I used all 3 of my day trades last Friday. So until tomorrow, I can't get out of any of them. But I know the Fed's supposed to talk tomorrow, so I'm going to wait till after the Fed speaks tomorrow to decide which contracts I want to hold on to, which ones I want to let go of. I've been trying to get time on them to, allow me more freedom. The one that I'm most worried about right now is the one I picked up that has the shortest amount of time. It expires next week. Is a SPY call for the 302. And yeah, let's start by looking at that one. I picked up this SPY call this morning. I believe I paid about $82 for it. And it was doing all right today. I was up on it a bit. And then towards the end of the day, the SPY just takes a fat dip. And yeah, now I'm down 50% on it. SPY after hours, not looking good. So yeah, I picked that up today. Also, the space put that I picked up last week, just wanted to bring to light that, hey, we're up $4 on that. So that's cool. The next thing we picked up, I grabbed an NVIDIA put way out the money, almost $100 out the money. but I made sure to get some time on it. We have exactly 1 month for today to see what Nvidia does. I believe that the market is about to start coming down. I didn't want to just jump into it heavily because y'all seeing that I have blown up most of my account trying to, predict when the market's going to crash. I figured, let me get some options with some time on them. Let me get some options out of the money instead of just blitzing in there. If it gets too crazy, I'll go a little heavier with the buying, but as of right now, I'm just trying to ease in there. The next thing I picked up was this 345 Apple call. Apple got an upgrade this morning, and I was up on this for a portion of the day. I picked it up today for 196, and this is one of the ones I would have stopped out of. It was doing well today for most of the day, and then when the SPY started dipping, it came down, and it really came down. And let's take a look at Apple after hours. It's not looking too hot either, but hey, again, I'm waiting to see what the Fed says tomorrow, and then if I think the market's going to continue to go down, I'm going to clip my bullish position for now. And the last thing I picked up today was this JD put. Josh Answers actually called this one out on the trading fraternity. I thought it was a good play, so yeah, I picked this one up. It's a November JD put for $24, and basically what this put is saying is there's going to be an escalation between America and China with the trade war again. So we can probably expect that all the Chinese stocks are likely to go down because of that. And then going into my history, this morning I sold out of that Apple put I had, that last Apple put I had. I sold out of it for $87. Now it may not be so bad if I were holding it, but it is what it is. I don't have it right now, but I'm just going to hold on to the cash that I do have. And then that put debit spread, I sold out of that this morning too. I took a $10 loss on it. I rolled that into the call, or some of it into the call. And then I closed out of the Walmart debit spread for $82, and I took $2 profit on it. So yeah, that's it for Tuesday. I will catch you on Wednesday. It's Wednesday, day 3 after market close. So let's hop in the portfolio and take a look at how we did today. Okay, so as you can see here, we had the first green day in a long time. On the day, we are up 8.42%, and on the week, we're down 19.3%. Well, let's go back to that day chart. So to start the day out, I closed out of that Apple call I had, and I closed out of that SPY call I bought yesterday, and that was to preserve my cash. The Fed spoke this morning before market opened, and it sounded pretty grim, so immediately when the market opened, I just decided I wanted to pull my money out. I wanted to pull my money out of my calls and switch to a fully bearish position. And let's take a look at what I decided to pick up. So looking at the contracts I'm holding, you can see that there are 3 new bearish positions I picked up today. They are Beyond, Nvidia, and Apple. And really what I did when I was buying them all, I decided I would throw $100 at each of them. I was trying to limit how big I was going at all of them. I had $100 that I was willing to give to each of these. My goal was to go about 3 or 4 weeks out for each of them. And that's what I did for most of these. Except for Beyond, I only got 2 weeks on Beyond. That was the plan for all these. So I'm happy to say that I'm up on most of the positions except for Apple. But my plan is to hold on to these and let them get closer to the money. And of course, since Beyond has a shorter timeline, I plan on selling out of Beyond sooner. Okay, so I picked up Beyond today just after they had got an analyst downgrade. Picked it up for $113, and as of right now, I'm up $81 on it, 71%. So doing good on that one. Actually, I grabbed this Nvidia put yesterday. I forgot I did, but yeah, I've had this all day. But the put was doing well today, but one thing I didn't take into account when I bought the put is the fact that they have earnings coming up. It didn't really hit me until I saw Nvidia going up and the value of my contract holding. They have earnings coming up. So I actually didn't pick this one up today, but yeah, this one was doing well today. And then the last one I picked up today was this 235 Apple put. And the thing with this is if we begin to start falling again like we did last time, or if we have that sharp fall like we did last time, I'll be ready. The IV on this will go up crazy. I'll sell out, and then everything will be good. But I kind of bought it at its highs today. There was not a point in time when I was up on this today. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. So yeah, that's really it for Wednesday. I will catch you on Thursday. It is Thursday after market close. Let's hop in the Handy Danny Robinhood. So we're here in the Handy Danny Robinhood. And as you can see, Robinhood got a new look today. I personally don't know how I feel about it, but just wanted to point that out. But we're here in the Handy Danny Robinhood, and We are down 12.54% on the day. This morning we started off pretty good, but as the day went on, we slowly declined. And to be honest with you, I didn't even really look at my portfolio today because I feel comfortable with my positions. I have confidence in them. So really right now, what I plan on doing is waiting. Let's go ahead and look at my positions. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm holding everything I was holding yesterday. Only thing that's really changed from yesterday is I picked up 2 more positions. I know I literally just put out a video yesterday about not buying weeklies, but I bought a weekly Uber call for $35 that expires tomorrow, and I bought it for $9. And the reason this is okay is because I'm not going in with the expectation that I'm getting my $9 back. This is 100% pure hope trade, so we'll see what comes of this tomorrow. But yeah, that's all I'm saying about that. So really it's almost like I didn't even make this trade. Then the next thing we did today was I picked up a Microsoft 140 put, and we have quite a bit of time on it. It expires July 17th, so plenty of time on it. So much can happen. Really, my thing right now is, as you can see from most of my positions, all my positions are bearish, and I'm just getting time because I still think the worst is yet to come. And right now, while I'm thinking this, all I'm doing is waiting, and I'm trying not to look too much at my portfolio. Out of everything I'm holding, the ones that I'm thinking about clipping early is I'm up on this Beyond, and it has the least amount of time on it. So if it's not in my favor tomorrow, I'm definitely taking profits on this. And then the rest of these, I'm down for the ride. That is my portfolio for Thursday. I will catch you on Friday. Let's hop in the portfolio and see how we finish off the week. All right, so as you can see, we are down yet again this week. We are down 9.41% of the day. And on the week, we are down 23%. So yeah, that's not good. We're down $336 on the week. I think there's definitely still a promise for the challenge. I think there is definitely still time to do what we need to do. And right now, all the positions I'm in have some good time on it. This really allows me to relax and kind of just kick it back until something happens, or maybe one of my positions makes a move. It doesn't have to be all of them at once, but maybe one of my positions make a move, and then hey, we're back in the game, got something to play with. But as of right now, going into the next week, unless something big happens, not really going to do too much. But let's take a look at my positions and see how they did today. So here are all my positions. I am down on Microsoft, Apple, and Virgin Galactic. So pretty much all my positions went down in value today. And on top of that, I actually bought a second Microsoft position. That's why I'm so down on Microsoft right now. But either way, honestly, Microsoft is most of my losses for the day. But either way, we still got time. We're still good. So now we're just going to look at each position and see how they did today. Okay, so this Beyond puts, we're down $22 on the day. This Virgin Galactic put, we're down $4 on the day. This Apple puts, we are down $10 on the day. This Pfizer puts, we're down $2 on the day. Still doing good on though. JD put, for some reason, we're actually up $2 on the day. And what's crazy is they beat their earnings and they're actually green on the day. So I'm not complaining, but I think people think JD is coming down. That's all my positions that I really think are worth looking at. Of course, we have this Gush put that expires in January, but I'm kind of just seeing what happens with that. Yeah, that's my portfolio. That's where we end for the week. And just know if for some reason the market finally decides to catch up and actually make sense for once, we're going to be a big when it happens. But yeah, I want to know, how'd you do this week? Hey, be sure to let me know down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash the like button. Also, if for some reason you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.